I would like to thank Engineering Review for giving me an opportunity to present APAR. APAR Industries was established in 1958 for producing conductors for overhead lines. In 2008, we acquired a cable company, and since then, we have not looked back. We have grown at a CAGR of 20% in last 10 years. If you ask me, APAR specializes in specialty cables like a forte in supplying various cables to defense, renewable like wind, solar, and even rolling stock. We have supplied cables to INS Vikrant. We have supplied cables to Vande Bharat train, which is being inaugurated, which has been inaugurated recently. Besides that, we specialize in house wires with E-beam technology by brand name Anushakti, which can give you 50% more current carrying capacity, which is melt resistant, and even the life of wire is around 50 years. And besides this, with a strong R&D, we are exploring of developing more such cables so that import substitutions are produced under Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is all about APAR, and we look forward for our association.